Good morning. Now, before I launch into this week's commendations, just a word about next week, and I'm giving you a little bit of advance notice. Next week, of course, on Thursday, it is World Book Day. Now, we'll be saying more about World Book Day in Monday's assembly, but one of the things you're going to experience is the absolute treat of a Miss Green assembly on Thursday, assisted, I believe, by Mr. Bolton and a number of the boys. So there's something to look forward to. But prior to that, I invite you to keep your eye out for this weekend's update on the enrichment grid, because a lot of the enrichment activities next week are going to be concerned with World Book Day. So the enrichment grid is going to change. There's going to be book related activities, and I think Mr. Bolton said to me, and he must have caught me in a weak moment, I think he said that he would like to award some prizes for those who really get stuck into the enrichment grid activities next week. And of course, it might be, and we all hope it will be, the last week in which we do an enrichment grid, because of course thereafter we are back at school, and we sincerely hope that that is an absolutely permanent arrangement. Anyway, more next week, but keep your eye out on that enrichment grid. As for this week, here are the commendations. In year one, I have 2 commendations to award. Both boys came to show me what they had been doing, some fantastic White Rose maths, and commendations in year one go to Leo S and Saren S. In year 2, worthy of mention, well worthy of mention, Cameron H, who brought me a maths poster that he had done at home. He's in year 2, and then told me all about Pythagoras and his theories, so fantastic to see that. Also in year 2, commendations go to Hardy S for science, Fairs F for science, Jaden B for reading, and Curran S for maths. Well done to you all. In year 4 we have commendations for Hugh O.R. for science. Well done, Hugh. Felix C for science. And in year 5 we have commendations this week for Rahul S for English and Maths, Barry Ali B for Maths, and then some commendations for English, and I've had a look at all of this work. Thomas T for English, Zane G for English, Lawrence S for English, George B L for English. And George, your progress has been absolutely magnificent. You can be really, really proud of what you're doing at this moment in time, matey. And then I've also awarded a commendation in English to Miles S. But also, Miles, for your general approach to the online learning. You are always there, always enthusiastic, always getting the work done, even though you are working remotely, and that is fantastic to see, and an example to all others. So well done, Miles. And then finally for today, commendations in year 6 go to Laith H for music, Rehan K for music, Mohammed F for music, and Vishant S for French. Very well done to you all. Commendations on their way.